Build your brand new home on 5.30 air conditioner in Huntersville. This home can have 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 5 baths, 2,921 to 3,208 square feet. You decide. Open floor plan with large island and gorgeous kitchen. The Hudson is being offered by Caruso Homes, or bring your own builder, and offers a modern crafty style with 2-story foyer, flex/office and 3-car garage. Primary bedroom on main floor, walk-in closets and screened-in porch. Second floor has a large open loft, 2 large bedrooms with 1 full bath. Beautiful elevations to choose from. The lot is located just 20 minutes from Charlotte and 5 minutes from Birkdale Village. It is very private and quiet. Connections to city sewer and city sewer are available and well is optional.